Good morning, folks. As we take a peek at last night's Deeper Look episode, first two planetary geometries on our list for the month still days away. Today we've got solar eruptions, an earthquake, earthquake news, and a mobile observatory project page update. We're at spaceweathernews.com and 193 angstroms looking at our star, and first, we note a small filament snap left of center there. Most actually just snaps through the corona. Meanwhile, a much larger filament on the northwestern limb lifted and likely did produce some ejecta. Neither burst will be producing geomagnetic space weather effects, but that second one should be able to be analyzed for heliospheric disruption when the coronagraphs update. Even with any release there might be, a good bit of that material did still remain within the stellar system. Now, despite that activity, we can see the Earth-facing quiet settles in nicely as there are no solar flares. Decayed spot to the right turns away, and the incoming groupings are smaller with little magnetic complexity at the moment. Solar wind speed and density are calm, so even those phi angle shifts in blue haven't yet caused magnetic disruptions at Earth. We'll keep our eyes on it. Earthquake of the day was just north of New Zealand at 6.2. It struck right between two low-pressure Earth spots that presented solid negative OLR anomalies, with positive OLR anomalies both north and south. Best data on that, however, could come out this afternoon when the OLR update again. We are between coronal holes at the moment, so we're actually looking at the phi angle shift in the solar wind, the CME disruptions of the heliosphere from days ago, and the Earth spots and OLR information we have back here at Earth when we're talking about a factor. And by the way, we have a new paper out, and it is our top story. Apparently, everything about an impending earthquake can be predicted by using the factors that the observers use every day. The global electric circuit and magnetic fields, aka the geoelectromagnetic system. We don't use borehole water, but the radon concentration is the positive ion emissions from the ground that send animals fleeing, which we discuss all the time. Local heat flow, aka OLR, outgoing long-wave infrared radiation. Ionospheric variations like total electron content and critical frequency, in addition, is things likely tied to Schumann peaks. This study has had success using just the magnetic fields. Now, just read that abstract and then come over to ncgt.org, New Concepts in Global Tectonics, a free open source earthquake journal. If you click issues, you can get every single one of them at your fingertips, a PDF right to your computer. And on page 301 of the September 2015 issue, it's actually page 56 of the PDF itself, you will find mine and Drs. Uyen and Holloman's paper on earthquakes. We hit the energy, the charge buildup, the electric circuit, and the magnetic fields. Something tells me that new paper was written by an observer. Anyway, folks, about 100 new photos from Observing the Frontier can be found on the Mobile Observatory Project's Facebook page, and for those who don't know, there are about 20 Suspicious Observers Facebook pages, and none of them are actually ours. Other people made them. The Mobile Observatory Project page I have linked below is the real one. It's got this photo right there, little FYI. We'll take a look at a strong winter storm trying to chase me out of the desert. We took off for ABQ yesterday, but didn't get far before exhaustion set in a bit after Tucson with the Mobile Observatory in tow. Folks, given that new earthquake paper, you absolutely must read ours, and also watch the earthquake videos on the homepage of suspiciousobservers.org. Website member or not, resources on the homepage are yours. Let's do Europe and finish our look down under, followed by shots of our star to close. It's 4:30 a.m. Mountain Time, and that's the news. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.